All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 8 of our March Daily Math. Number 1, it says 5 equals a number divided by 4. Okay, let's think about this. This number has to be the largest then, because we could also read it as a number divided by 4 equals 5. Remember, it really doesn't matter what side the equal sign is on, right? We still work the same way. So if we see it this way, though, sometimes it just helps thinking that 5 times 4 is the big number, and that would be 20. So let's double check. If we split 20 into 4 equal parts, would each part have 5? Yes. 20 divided by 4 equals 5, because 5 times 4 is 20. Number 2, how many of the square stripedy things are in Anne's necklace? Remember, there are 32 total beads. So for this strand, there's 2. For strand number 2, there's 2, so that makes 4. Strand number 3, there's 2, that makes 6. And strand number 4, there are 2, which makes a total of 8. So we have 8 beads, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. All right. Number 3, Finn measured his height using horseshoes. Well, don't we all? He is 5 horseshoes tall. Okay. If you measure Finn using gold coins, how tall do you think he would be? Make an estimate. Well, if I'm going to compare this right here, this gold coin, to the horseshoe, I'm going to say that it's about 3 gold coins tall for each horseshoe, right? Maybe 2.5, somewhere around there. So let's just say he's 2 gold coins for each of these. Well, if it's 5 horseshoes tall, 5 times 2 equals 10. He might be 10 gold coins. If we go with 1, 2, 3, then 5 times 3 would be 15. Or he might be somewhere between those two. Okay? So my guess is, let's split it and let's say 13. Lucky number 13. Okay, I'm just guessing, but I think that's probably about right. What do you think? Okay. Number 4, write a division equation to describe this model. Well, let's look at how many there are. Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's split it into 4 and 6. Well, like this problem up here, I know that 6 times 4 is 24. So I could count every single one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. Or 6 by 4 is 24. All right. Number 5. Do you need more or fewer gold coins than horseshoes to measure Finn's height? Well, I need more, right? I needed more. He said he was only 5 horseshoes tall, but we're guessing somewhere between 10 to 15. So we need more. Why? Well, because the gold coins are smaller, right? Are smaller than the horseshoes. All right, great job with day number 8. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 9.